Welcome back to Remedy Science. Today, we're diving into some science-backed home remedies that can help improve respiratory health and manage symptoms like congestion and coughing. Let's explore how these remedies work and how they can benefit you. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation involves breathing in water vapor, which can help moisten the mucous membranes in the respiratory tract. This moisture assists in thinning and loosening thick mucus, facilitating its clearance through the cough reflex. The warm, humid environment can also help reduce inflammation in the airways by increasing blood flow and promoting mucosal hydration. Studies have shown that steam inhalation can be beneficial in managing symptoms of respiratory infections and congestion. Honey. Honey has been recognized for its antimicrobial properties due to its content of hydrogen peroxide, methylglyoxal, and other phenolic compounds. Its viscous nature provides a coating effect on the throat, which can soothe irritation and suppress coughing. Research indicates that honey can be as effective as or more effective than some over-the-counter cough medicines in reducing cough frequency and severity, particularly in children with upper respiratory infections. Ginger. Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol, shogal, and parasol, which exhibit significant anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds can help reduce inflammation in the airways, enhance mucosal defense, and support immune function. Studies have demonstrated that ginger can mitigate inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially benefiting overall respiratory health and reducing symptoms of chronic respiratory conditions. Turmeric. Turmeric, curcuma longa, contains curcumin, a compound with well-documented anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin inhibits pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, reducing inflammation in the airways and contributing to improved respiratory health. Research has shown that curcumin can enhance the activity of the immune system and offer protective effects against respiratory infections by modulating immune responses. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur-containing compound with potent antimicrobial and immune-boosting properties. Allicin exerts bactericidal and antiviral effects, potentially enhancing the body's ability to combat respiratory infections. Clinical studies suggest that garlic can improve immune function and reduce the incidence of colds and other respiratory illnesses. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil contains eucalyptol, 1,8-cineol, which has demonstrated anti-inflammatory, mucolytic, and antimicrobial properties. Eucalyptol helps to reduce airway inflammation and facilitates mucus clearance by thinning the mucus. Additionally, it acts as a mild antiseptic, providing relief from respiratory congestion and associated symptoms. Clinical evidence supports its use in managing conditions like bronchitis and sinusitis. Warm compress. Applying a warm compress to the chest increases local blood flow, which helps relax muscle tension and alleviate discomfort associated with coughing and congestion. The heat from the compress can aid in loosening mucus and reducing the sensation of tightness in the chest. This method can be particularly soothing and effective in providing symptomatic relief. Hydration. Maintaining proper hydration is crucial for respiratory health, as it helps to keep mucus thin and more easily expellable. Adequate fluid intake ensures that mucus does not become overly thick or sticky, which can exacerbate congestion and coughing. Hydration supports the mucociliary function of the airways, facilitating the effective clearance of mucus and reducing the risk of mucus buildup. Saltwater gargle. Gargling with a saline solution, salt water, can reduce throat inflammation and help clear bacteria from the throat. The hypertonic solution draws out excess fluid from inflamed tissues through osmosis, reducing swelling and discomfort. Saltwater gargles can also provide temporary relief from sore throat symptoms and help in maintaining oral hygiene. Rest. Adequate rest is vital for optimal immune function and recovery from illness. During periods of rest, the body can effectively mobilize immune responses and repair damaged tissues. Sufficient sleep and relaxation support the immune system's ability to combat infections, reduce the severity of symptoms, and promote faster recovery from respiratory conditions. Each of these remedies can play a role in supporting respiratory health and managing symptoms. Remember, while these remedies are helpful, always consult with a healthcare provider for persistent or severe symptoms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips.